this is the bit rate we had seen in the last class. 10⁻⁹ is the laser bit rate you get. Okay. So the invention of laser led to optical communication. So let us see the next slide. Few things we need to know before we start with the chapter. What is the frequency of carrier in optical communication? Anybody? फ्रीक्वेंसी कैरियर फ्रीक्वेंसी क्यों यूज करते हैं? बिकॉज टू सेंड द मैसेज
मैसेज
मैसेज सेंड longer
Yes.
distance.
लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस तक कर सके.
Yes, we modulate the message using the carrier, है ना? So modulation is necessary in order to transmit a signal over a long distance. So what is the carrier frequency in optical communication? कितना carrier frequency रहेगा? You can see carrier frequency. Okay, so around 100 terahertz carrier frequency is the optical signal की carrier frequency कितनी रहेगी? Around 100 terahertz. Okay. Bit rate will be in terabits per second. Okay. So this question you will answer because this I've already told you yesterday. Is optical communication is guided or unguided?
Guided, ma'am. For longer distance guided, और else laser वाला unguided भी हो सकता है.
So it is both, है ना?
हाँ, मतलब it is both.
Yes, it is both. It is guided as well as it is unguided. Guided in the sense you are using an optical fiber to transmit the light, and unguided is not, you are not using an optical fiber. Okay, directly from the laser source you are going to transmit through vacuum. Next, birth of optical system. How this has arrived. Okay, so to guide the light in the waveguide, initially metallic and non-metallic waveguides were fabricated. Okay, so metallic and non-metallic waveguides were fabricated initially in order to guide the light. But what will happen? Enormous losses used to encounter using the metallic waveguides. Okay, so they were not suitable. They were not suitable for telecommunication purpose. Then what happened? A scientist called as Tyndall discovered that the optical fiber, okay, can guide the light through it. Okay, so Tyndall discovered that through the optical fibers, light could be transmitted by the phenomena of total internal reflection. Okay. Is it okay? So Tyndall was the person who discovered that light can be transmitted through the optical fiber, and during the 1950s, the optical fibers with large diameters of almost around 1 or 2 millimeters were used in the endoscopes to see the inner parts of human body. Okay? So the person Tyndall first gave you the idea of optical fiber communication.